Welcome to the review of the 2025 Toyota Tacoma pickup truck. Toyota's legendary Tacoma enters 2025 with a refreshed design, enhanced performance, and cutting-edge features that reaffirm its position as a standout in the midsize truck segment. Starting with its design, the 2025 Tacoma showcases a bold, rugged exterior that blends modern styling with functionality. The aggressive grille, muscular fender flares, and newly designed LED headlights give it a commanding presence. Its aerodynamic lines not only enhance aesthetics but also improve efficiency. Toyota offers multiple trims, from the adventure-ready TRD Pro to the more urban-focused Limited, ensuring a model for every lifestyle. Inside, the Tacoma balances practicality with comfort. The cabin features durable materials designed to withstand tough use, while premium trims include leather upholstery and soft touch accents. The updated infotainment system features a large, crisp touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Multiple USB-C ports, a wireless charging pad, and a premium JBL audio system add to the tech-forward interior. Double cab models provide ample space for passengers, making it versatile for both work and family use. Under the hood, Toyota offers several engine options to cater to diverse needs. The base 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder delivers impressive power and efficiency, while the available hybrid powertrain provides a balance of performance and fuel economy. For off-road enthusiasts, the TRD Pro model includes advanced suspension tuning, Fox shocks, and all-terrain tires, ensuring it can tackle the toughest trails with ease. A new multi-terrain monitor and crawl control system add to its off-road capability. In terms of safety, Toyota equips the Tacoma with the latest Toyota Safety Sense suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, and automatic emergency braking. These features, combined with a reinforced frame, ensure peace of mind for every journey. Pricing for the 2025 Tacoma starts competitively, making it accessible to a wide range of buyers. While base models offer excellent value, higher trims provide luxury and off-road capabilities that rival premium trucks. In conclusion, the 2025 Toyota Tacoma is a versatile and capable pickup truck that continues to impress with its blend of rugged design, modern technology, and reliable performance. Whether you need a workhorse, an off-road adventurer, or a stylish daily driver, the Tacoma delivers on all fronts. It's a solid recommendation for anyone in the market for a midsize pickup.